Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. A correct rental car plan class should store 3 private instance variables: the daily rental fee, the number of free miles, and the per mile charge. The constructor initializes these values from its parameters. The calculate bill method should first compute the rental portion of the bill as daily fee times days. Then it should determine whether the customer drove more than the included free miles. If miles, free miles, the extra mileage charge is miles minus free miles times per mile charge. Otherwise, the mileage charge is 0. The method returns the sum of the rental fee and mileage charge. The cost less than method must compare this plan with another rental car plan for the same number of days and miles. To satisfy the problem requirements, it should call calculate bill days miles for the Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.